we are discussing about properties of integers. Mainly, there are 5 properties. First one, closure property. Second, commutative property. Third, associative property. Then fourth, distributive property. Then 5, identity property. Properties of integers under addition. First one, closure property. If A and B are any two integers, then A plus B is also an integer. For example, take A equal to 1, B equal to minus 5. Now, A plus B equal to 1 plus minus 5. Here, one is positive number, other is negative number. How we can simplify? Subtract the number. 5 minus 1, 4. What is the sign of the biggest one number? 5. So that is negative. So we will get minus 4. And minus 4 is an integer. So our closure property is, if A and B are two integers, then A plus B is also an integer. Second property, commutative property. If A and B are any two integers, then A plus B equal to B plus A. For example, take A equal to 4, B equal to minus 5. Now, A plus B equal to 4 plus minus 5. So, here one is positive, other is negative. How we can add? We can subtract the number. 5 minus 4, we will get 1, and sign of the bigger number without seeing the sign, that is minus. Now, B plus A equal to, B is minus 5 plus A is 4. Here one is negative, other is positive. So, simplification, we can subtract this number. 5 minus 4, we will get 1. The sign of the number, bigger number, without seeing the sign, that is 5. Then the sign is minus, so we can put that sign of the bigger number. So we will get a plus b equal to b plus a. That is commutative property. If a and b are any two integers, then a plus b equal to b plus a. Next property, associative property. If a, b, c are any three integers, then a plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c. If a, b, c are any three integers, then a plus b plus c equal to a plus b plus c. Take a equal to 2, b equal to -1, c equal to +5. Now LHS side, a plus b plus c equal to, a is here 2, b is -1 bracket plus c is +5. So first we do the bracket. 2 plus -1, we will get 2 minus 1, 1, and the sign of the bigger number without seeing the sign is positive. So 1 plus product multiplication rule 5. So the answer will come 6. Now RHS side, a plus b plus c. Here a is 2 plus b is -1 plus c is 5. Now this will come 2 plus, here -1 plus 5. The answer will come 4. So 2 plus 4 will come 6. Now we get both are same. A plus b plus c equal to 6. A plus b plus c is also 6. That is associative property. Now fourth property, distributive property. If a, b, c are any three integers, then a into b plus c equal to a into b plus a into c. How we get? We can distribute like this. First term a into b, then positive, then plus, then multiply the first term with the second term, that is a into c. Now we can take the example, a equal to -2, b equal to 1, c equal to -5. Then LHS left hand side, a into b plus c equal to, here a is -2 into what is b, 1, plus what is c, -5. So we will get -2 into, here 1 plus -5, we will get -4. So 2 into 4, 8, -8, plus. Now the RHS side, a into b plus a into c. This is RHS side. A is -2 into b is 1 plus a into -2 into -5. So -2 plus -2 into -5, we will get 10, positive 10. Now -2 plus 10, you will get 8. 8 is same as positive 8. Now the fifth property, identity property. If a is an integer, then a plus 0 equal to a. That is, 0 is the identity element of addition of integers. This means if an integer add with another integer so that we will get the same integer. Only 0 can give this. So 0 is the identity element of integers under addition. In similar way, we can see all these properties are satisfying in multiplication. But under division, properties of integers are not satisfying. In subtraction, closure and distributive property is satisfying. Thank you for watching this video. We can meet in the next episode. Bye.